What's up guys, it's Jeffrey Rodriguez, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about where you can buy your altcoins from now that Binance isn't accepting any new users currently at the moment. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a video, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's jrod4x, that way you can see what I'm looking at as far as trades in real time. I do just want to say that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not any financial advice. However, this is my opinion, and before you take any trade or invest in any crypto or invest in anything, you should always do your research and do your homework before doing so. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So first things first, before you are buying any altcoin on any exchange, either Ethereum, Litecoin, or Bitcoin, through Coinbase. So in order to do that, you can go to any one of my videos. If you scroll to the description, you will see get $10 worth of Bitcoin, or it will say Coinbase, but it will all be this link right here, Coinbase JROD4X. Click it. It will say Jeffrey Rodriguez invited you to try Coinbase. Basically, you will just enter your first name, last name, email, pick a password, check that you're not a robot, and you do have to be 18 or older, so click this little box and click sign up. Basically, once you buy or sell $100 worth of Bitcoin, we'll both earn $10, so that's a pretty cool little incentive. So after you have signed up for Coinbase, what you're going to want to do is purchase either Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum. I always recommend purchasing Ethereum because the fees are the lowest and transaction speeds are usually the quickest. Whenever you come to your Coinbase account, you'll choose buy, and then you'll choose whatever you want to purchase, whether that be Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, or Bitcoin. So in this case, it'll be Ethereum, and you will choose whatever bank account or whatnot that you have linked up here. And then right here you can basically put buy max, which will be like your max limit. So for me it's $95. That'll be the amount of Ethereum it is. It'll be available instantly, and it'll go into your Ethereum wallet. There's a $3.65 fee on Coinbase, so you're going to get like $91 in your account. After you purchase it, what will happen is you will go over here to accounts. You'll see ETH wallet, and it'll have whatever your balance is, and then you're going to want to send Ethereum from Coinbase to whatever exchange you're using. So I was using Binance, however Binance is not accepting any new users at the moment, so I am using KuCoin now. So I will show you how to do that. So basically you're going to click send. Then you're going to need to get your address from KuCoin. So if you don't already have a KuCoin account, then below this video there's a link. So if you just click that, it'll take you to KuCoin's website, and you'll be able to create an account. So that will look like this. Whenever you get to KuCoin's site, you will just sign up. I'm already logged into my KuCoin account, but you just have to sign up once you click the link in my description, and basically then you can exchange your Ethereum from Coinbase to KuCoin and then swap that out. So I'll explain how you do that now. So we are on KuCoin trying to get our Ethereum wallet address. So what you're going to want to do is click this little money sign. We'll hover over it and then click deposit. And what you're going to do right here, you'll be able to choose any different crypto that you want to deposit funds in. So we currently have Ethereum, so we'll scroll down, click Ethereum, and then we're going to copy this address. So you can just triple tap, and then that will triple tap on your mouse, and that will highlight the whole thing, and you will copy it. So Command C on a Mac, Control C on a PC. Once you copy it, then you will come back to Coinbase. You're going to paste that address in here. And then, so this is asking what is the amount that we want to send. So in this case, I'm just going to do send max. And this is like the amount of Ethereum that I currently own. And then we're going to hit continue. Okay, so now we have sent our Ethereum from Coinbase to KuCoin. So give it a bit. This will take some time before it does appear in your account. In order to exchange your Ethereum, or Bitcoin or Litecoin. For altcoins, you're then going to want to go to markets. And then we currently are going to be exchanging Ethereum. So you're going to click ETH, and this is going to show you all the Ethereum markets. So you can just like scroll through, and whatever crypto it is that you want to exchange your Ethereum for, then you will basically be able to do that here. So say it is Dash that we want to exchange our Ethereum for. We would basically click Dash/ETH. And I know this screen looks really confusing, guys, but don't get overwhelmed by it. It is really easy to understand once I am going to explain to you guys what all this means. Let me go ahead and verify this as well. Alright guys, so now we are looking at the market, which is Dash/ETH. So we are exchanging Ethereum for Dash. So this is basically just going to show you the chart. It's okay, you don't have to understand any of this right now. Where you're going to buy your Dash, which is you're exchanging your Ethereum, so you're exchanging ETH for Dash. So you're going to do that right here at the bottom. Basically, whenever you click best price, that's going to be the price of whatever it's at the current market price. So you click that. Here you can choose the amount of Dash that you would want to buy. So basically, you can type in 100, or if you don't want to do that, you can basically just slide this little bar across the bottom here. So at the moment, my Ethereum isn't in this account yet, but you would be able to just drag this little slider across, and instead of typing in your amount right here, so if you typed in 100 or 20 or whatever the amount was that you wanted to purchase, you could type it in there, or if you already have the Ethereum in your account, you can just slide this across and it will make it nice and easy for you to choose the amount of Dash that you want to buy. Once you do that, you're going to click buy, and then at that point you will be initiating the purchase of exchanging your Ethereum for Dash. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. I did want to real quick go and talk about Ripple, because the last couple videos have been about Ripple, and since we've talked about it last, we've had a pretty significant breakdown. So I just want to go over that real quick before I wrap up this video. I'm going to start with a daily time frame. We formed that high at $3.30 and still been trading lower. So I do see the potential for us to want to reach into this area here, which is about $1.20 to $1.30. So that could be a potential area that Ripple would want to go down to. However, I wouldn't see that being the case until we for sure get below $1.90. When that does happen, then I'm looking for lower prices down here. And if the market shows me that it does want to rally higher and take out this high at 330 from these levels, then I will look to enter there. But other than that, I'm going to be waiting to see what Ripple does, because at the moment I do not see it showing me that prices want to go higher. Other than the fact that it has formed a lower high right here, we're just going to wait though. We're going to wait and see what the market shows us. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications. That way you never miss a video. Don't forget to drop a comment below this video, guys. Let me know if you're invested in any cryptos, what exchanges you're currently using at the moment, because I was using Binance, but I know that people are having issues getting and opening accounts with Binance. So I am moving to KuCoin right now. So just go ahead and let me know below what exchanges you're using, what cryptos you're invested in, and hope this video helped you guys.